my veins when I cut their red blood is a puddle of dreams. That's right, all on my face with the mace. Please spray my eyes cause I don't wanna see.
I'm dying out.
You wanna fight for it? Let's go to Stormwatch. Don't fight them, let's go to Stormwatch. And then we can fight them, because they're probably gonna creep in there.
Nice. Jetpack. That's what I need.
Alright, let's go to Stormwatch, come on. Now we have the high ground, and we can shoot them when they come to us. Yeah, just wait up here, see if they come to us.
I got a flare gun.
Alright, we can push then, I guess. She's a little downhill in here. There's a vault over. Yeah, we can try and keep. That's probably what they're waiting for.
No, it's still there too.
Right, where y'all going?
Oh, going to the next circle.
It doesn't look like they're really moving. There's the ping. They're in the middle of the lake. The ping was out in the middle of that shallow lake there.
Yeah, let's just regroup with our teammates.
They're out there fighting right now. I can see them.
Yeah, we got some people. Yeah, we got some people on the.
That vault's opening. Fucking hurry up!
Come on, bitch. Come on. Come on. Get that wheel work. Get that wheel work. Yeah. Yeah. Come on. Push it, bitch. Yeah. Oh, we got some people. We got some people. Got some people. We got some people. Got some people. Let's go ahead. Let's bowl these motherfuckers up. Let's bowl these bitches up. Let's bowl these bitches. Come on. You on that motherfucker? Fucking you, bitch. Yeah. Dumb motherfucker.
Where is he?
Oh. Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. Look out. Look out. Right here, right here.
How the fuck is that guy not down?
Look at him. What the fuck? Come on, 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 come on. There you go. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Fuck, dude.
Whoa, come on, man.
They're coming back at me with a vengeance, yo. Fucking bitch. Jade fucking West, you fucking bitch.
Oh, what?
That's fucking little fucking bitch. Goddamn fucking repulsor goddamn gun, man.
Come on, in the car. In the fucking car. Ah. Come on, baby.
Make my way straight over there. See if I can get somebody to pick that right away. Have some weapons along the way.
Careful, goat. There's a lot of them over there.
The motherfuckers are still over there sweating, huh?
Yeah.
I just heard the phone ring in this.
Yeah. I see him too. Yeah, I'm maxed out. Oh shit.
I would guess over here or over here for reboot, but it's crowded either way.
The dude from the attic fucking popping at me. Really?
I'm gonna do it over here. Fuck
Yeah.
I'm gonna do it over here while I can. Just get up out of the damn storm. I'll get back in the damn car.
What the fuck are these things malfunctioning like that for?
Cause they on island. Yeah, right there on fucking island too.
Get the fuck off me, you fuck! That same fucking cunt ass bitch! Fuck off, you fucking bitch! Fucking cunt! I fucking hate this dude. Oops.
Mm-hmm.
Trying to be all quiet now. Motherfuckers is still sitting on top of my shit.
I got you. Got his car.
Yeah, you're not getting back up that way.
Got it. You're right here. Yep. Look at him. Look at him shooting at me. Look at him. Look at him. Look at him. Ah. I needed some chill help too. Oh, what the fuck?
Ain't no way! God fucking damn! Fuck you! You cheat ass bitch who's on 0! He should be dead, dude. He should be fucking dead. By all rights and accounts. He's got no health and shield, he's dead. I'm so tired of this fucking game.
What you mean?
GG.
Let's go.